After spending a year in Sri Lanka, I've discovered the vibrant flavours of its cuisine and its deep connection to the land, history and community. Each dish tells a story, and living amongst locals, attending traditional festivals and sharing meals with families has enriched my appreciation of the culinary art. This immense experience has allowed me not just to learn about the food itself, but about the cultural significance behind each meal. I hope my experience can be passed on to you. Please enjoy. So before you see me make some Pol Sambol, I thought I'd share this with you, which is a kind of village style. This woman's making it village style really, and what she's going to be using, you're going to see in a moment, is this huge kind of stone that she uses. Well, two stones, a flat stone and a kind of oblong type thing. Now I obviously don't have one of them, and I presume that you don't have one of them, but I thought I'd just show you this. So Pol Sambol is a coconut kind of relish, which is kind of used with everything really, or you can use it with everything. It's got chili flakes in it, salt, lime juice, onions, and Maldives fish. Now we did make a version of this earlier in the series, which didn't contain the Maldives fish. It was a kind of vegan, vegetarian version. The Maldives fish is a kind of chipped, dry fish, and I'm not going to tell you kind of how much to put in this, because you kind of adjust it yourself. Like if you like lots of coconut, then put a lot more coconut in it. If you like lots of chili, do that. But yeah, it's a really, really delicate, beautiful kind of condiment that you can have with rice and curry and pretty much everything. I really, really love it. Let's just spend a little more time watching this wonderful woman traditionally do that on the stone, and then we'll get over to me just making some for you. So fresh coconut is pretty essential to this. I've never made it with dried coconut, although I have seen some people do it. I don't think it's going to work out. So a fresh grated coconut, and then what you're going to need some Maldives fish, which, like I say earlier, is a kind of dried chipped fish, very popular in Sri Lanka. Chili flakes. Now chili flakes, usually it has quite a lot of chili flakes in it. You know what I mean? It's like kind of 3 parts of coconut to 2 parts of the chili, but that's entirely up to you. A little bit of salt you're going to need. You're going to need some onion. You're going to need some lime juice. And if you want, you could put fresh chili in this as well. Some people put fresh chili in. Very simply, we're just going to kind of get it into my wooden, as you can see, I've got my wooden implement here, and then we're going to just bash the bloody life out of it. That's what you do. You need to really, really get in there and go for it. So entirely up to you how much you put in. Adjust it exactly how you like. It might take you a few goes, but it's really, really worth it just to get it exactly how you want. And it's just a wonderful thing, this stuff. Like I just love it, love it, love it. I'm happy to eat this for breakfast, lunch and dinner. I'll just eat it all day, all day. Really, really simple. Get it all together. That's it. Job done. You've got yourself some fantastic Pol Sambol. I hope you enjoy that. So 1 year in Sri Lanka, how's it been? Well, I've got to tell you, it's been absolutely fantastic. The weather's great, of course. The beaches are truly amazing. The people have just been so friendly, really sort of welcomed me and my family into the country, and they've just been over helpful, quite frankly. And of course, look, the food I think is absolutely amazing. I've truly loved the food here. So yeah, my time's coming to an end pretty soon. We've still got a few more episodes in the series, but we'll be moving on to another place. I'll let you know that very soon. But yeah, at the moment, Sri Lanka. If you haven't been here, why bloody not? Get yourself over to Sri Lanka. Put it on your bucket list.